Guys, thought of creating a cinematic short film without ever touching a camera or spending hours editing? Imagine typing a simple description and watching a professional quality video appear before your eyes. That's exactly what our next tool makes possible. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into Flova, the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. Unlike other tools, this one doesn't just generate content, it guides you through a fully controllable workflow, from story outlines to animations, music and voiceovers. In this video, we'll put Flova to the test with a futuristic scene. First, we'll create a detailed static image using Seedream 4, then animate it with Seedance 1. What's really exciting is how it makes the entire process interactive. Its built-in AI assistant analyzes your prompts, suggests settings and guides you step by step. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, Flova is a revolutionary platform that lets you create professional videos with just a few clicks. If you've ever wanted to make a cinematic clip but didn't have any experience with editing or 3D animation, this tool does it all for you. It's the first all-in-one tool that brings together dozens of top AI models in one place. What's more, it gives you access to the most powerful content generation models, from creating images to full films, music and even voiceovers. Guys, there are four main categories: images for creating photos, video for creating footage, music for background tracks, and narration for professional voiceovers. In the video section, you'll find top models like Google's Veo and Sora 2. There's also Seedance 1 Pro, Clean 2.5 and many more. Each model has its own strengths, from generation speed to the quality of the final output. Let's put Flova to the test and create a video right now. We'll start with the easiest method, making one from a text description. Mates, the platform can turn our text prompt into a full cinematic clip. First, we describe exactly what we want to see. I'm providing a detailed prompt of a futuristic cafe in Tokyo at night. The cyberpunk atmosphere is ultra-realistic in 4K quality. The more detailed your description, the better the AI understands your vision. I specified the location, the lighting details, and the desired quality. I didn't pick a model so Flova can analyze the prompt and choose the best one itself. Friends, it has a built-in AI assistant that helps optimize your request. It automatically reviews your prompt and suggests settings for your project. The assistant asks for three key details: the video duration, the aspect ratio, and the language. I answer these questions and send it off. The intelligence then analyzes my answers and sets up the project. It creates a full brief based on the description I provided, generates a storyboard, and even develops a ready-to-go visual gen path. The platform then offers a two-step approach to creating the video. Guys, first, it suggests producing a highly detailed static image using the Seedream 4.0 model at 2K resolution. This will be the base frame for our project. Then this picture is animated with Seedance 1.0. It becomes a short 720p clip with camera effects and people moving in the background. This two-step approach gives you maximum control over both the visual quality and the cinematic feel of the final result. That's exactly what I wanted to test, which model Flova AI would pick for us. Everything looks perfect, so we confirm the generation and wait for the outcome. So guys, Seedance 4 is in action, and here it is, the final visual frame, fully rendered and ready to go. Now, folks, Flova asks what we want to do next. It tells us the static image has been successfully generated and suggests moving on to the second step, animating it into a short clip. I tell the assistant to go ahead, and we continue. And just like that, we can see that Seedance has finished animating our static frame. The model has added all the elements we planned. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, my friends, there's smooth camera movement, realistic rain animation, and dynamic reflections of neon lights on the wet streets. The final result looks very professional. Guys, Flova is incredibly powerful. This storyboard also lets you build a multi-layered project instead of just a single short clip. Rather than limiting yourself to one quick shot, you can create a full story made up of several connected scenes. Our first cut shows the exterior of a cafe. This works as the opening scene. Next, we add a second one, the cafe interior, where the visitor comes in and gets their order. Friends, to add a new segment, we can either create it manually in the storyboard or ask the AI assistant to help plan it. Let's do that. The AI immediately picks up on the idea and starts working on it. And just like that, it generates two characters for us, a barista and a young professional wearing textile clothing. Now we tell it to proceed and animate the static image for the interior cafe shot. Once the music is generated, we compile both shots into a single timeline. It starts rendering. And now, let's take a look at the result, which is impressive. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! We can use reply to tweak anything we don't like. We can regenerate the prompt or edit it. Then we can choose more like this, and the AI will prioritize your preferences. We can also download the animation or give it a dislike if something isn't right. It's a really flexible system. Plus, we can go back, start a new project branch, and continue working with our chat there. We can do this anytime. For example, to create multiple visuals from the same rendering. Let's respond. Now the assistant suggests adding the final touch, an ambient soundscape to match our cyberpunk atmosphere. I ask it to create the audio, and we wait for the result. And there it is. The tool automatically created a custom audio track for our video, which we can listen to. There's even a second option to choose from. Mates, once all the elements are generated, Flova puts together the final version. This stage is called Assemble. The platform blends all effects into one clean file. When the status updates to timeline is ready, it means we can jump into manual editing. The AI assistant also notifies us that the clip is fully assembled and ready for export. Let's take a look at what we're about to export, and just check out this result. Now let's explore the export options. We can save the project as a video, a PR file, or export everything at once. For now, I'll download the MP4. Friends, in timeline mode, I can work with the footage just like in a classic video editor. I can add new clips, including the ones we already created. I can also use branch a new project to generate extra shots and drop them straight into the main timeline. This way, we can build fully polished projects by combining multiple generated films into one seamless final product. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Today we saw just how powerful Flova AI really is. It can turn a simple idea into a cinematic video, complete with professional visuals, smooth animations, and even custom music. What makes it unique is that you're in full control at every step. You can tweak prompts, choose and combine any of the latest models, or jump back to any stage. It's like having a full production team at your fingertips. Friends, if you're ready to create clips like this, use the exclusive link in the description for instant access to Flova. You'll receive 500 credits, plus an extra 500 free to start experimenting right away. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.